There's a talking coconut in my house. Yo, boss man, I'm telling the truth, man. I haven't slept for 3 days, man. I didn't even get to shave or clip my toenails. Anyways, Lutan, catch you later. Coconut!
Blackman, I am back. Did you miss me?
No, I didn't miss you. What you doing back here?
I have a joke to tell you.
Oh boy.
This is a nice TV, man. Who did you steal it from?
You're so little and rude. I'm going to squash you.
Welcome to the love, man.
Get back here. Coconut!
The black man found me.
What was that?
Ooh, white girls. Well, make me just make myself at home.
Coconut?
Whoa! Hey, wait.
There it is.
Stop it, man. I'm white on the inside too.
Go.
Oh, we're playing pool.
I'm gonna hit it right in the middle.
Whoa! White on white violence.
There it is.
I'm white on the inside. I'm white on the inside. Ooh.
Nice.
Got you, Coconut.
That hurt, man. Ouch. Okay. How about a deal? Let's have a staring contest. If you blink first, I stay. If I blink first, you get to crush me.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, I win. Looks like I'll be here for a very long time.
I don't really deal with the OOO and the fat man Santa, whatever you want to call him name. Whether you celebrate this thing called Christmas or not, just always remember just to show love. Even if the person is unlovable. Just have to give big thanks to these YouTube users. They've been my brethren from a long time. Praying Man to 72. This man is sick. Go to his channel, man. He has the best pool trick shot. Boom! Did you see that? Yeah, man, that was sick. And also Hot for Chick. She make like these crazy YouTube videos that are quirky and kind of play with your mind. I don't really know how to describe it, man. You have to see it to know understand what I'm talking about. And guys, she's not single. So respects to both of them. Stay safe. Remember to show the love. And if you're in Canada, remember to stay warm because it is cold, virgin. So once again, this is Leroy Said Man Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Out.